Hi friends! Today we are making art cards. What's fun about this craft is that it's for all ages, all skill levels, and you use what you have. You can make these by yourself, with friends or family, on a Sunday afternoon, or during an art night party. Each card is going to be different, and no two will ever be the same. So there's a couple of basic materials that you need: scissors, glue or tape, some unlined or lined paper, whatever you have, printer, notebook paper, and a brown grocery bag. You're also going to need some things that you don't mind cutting up, like old magazine pages, maps, dictionary page or old book pages, wrapping paper, felt, ribbon. Another fun thing to do is to do leaf rubbings. So the first thing you're going to do is take the brown grocery bag and cut the bottom off. Then you're going to cut up the sides along the creases where you can see the folds on the inside. So you're going to have 4 different long cards, it looks like. Then you're going to cut them to the size that you want, and you're going to have anywhere from 10 to 12. I chose to work on 4 cards today, so I can make 4 different cards. And the first step is to find your background. These can be colors or patterns. You can use map pages, magazine pages. I definitely used the leaf print, and I just traced my card around it and cut it out, and that was the background. And just find some colors and prints and shapes that you find interesting, that you really like. So here I'm making patterned paper, and I'm going to use that paper for step 2. Now when you have your backgrounds finished for each of your cards, we're going to work on details. Now details, as you can see, I am cutting out some circles out of that patterned paper that I had made earlier. And then you want to look through other scrap pages and see if you can find little birds or shapes. I found a punch bowl, and once you have your large details, you can go back and add some flourishes. Now flourishes are a lot of fun. They can be paint splatters, they can be paint drips, you can paint the edge of a toilet paper roll and make circles. Then you can go back and use a pen and make little details like flowers and hearts or little drawings, leaves, things like that. Next, we're going to do the inside. Now, the inside can be lined paper from your notebook if you have that, or your printer paper. You're just going to cut that paper to size and tape or glue it in. Last, if you want an envelope, it's easy to trace the shape of one onto a magazine page, cut it out, and secure the edges. Thanks for joining us today, and happy crafting!